First, turn off the iPhone. Then, take out the toolkit and the screen. Use a 5-point screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the bottom. Disassembly precautions. There's a flex cable connector inside the left side of the screen. You need to insert a blade into the lower right side of the phone. There are no components in this location. The top of the screen contains the camera assembly. Be careful when adding alcohol, otherwise it may damage the front camera. The bottom of the phone displays the flex cable. Gently pry the blade when inserting it. Use a hairdryer to evenly heat the edge of the screen for 3 to 5 minutes, raising the screen temperature to 70 to 80 degrees Celsius to soften the waterproof adhesive. Insert the blade into the gap in the frame of the casing. Add alcohol. Gently move the blade to allow the alcohol to seep into the waterproof adhesive. This helps to separate the internal adhesive. Be careful when separating the top of the phone. Add a small amount of alcohol. Insert the blade into the lower right side of the frame. Pry up the LCD screen. Use a plastic pry tool to wedge in the gap. Prevent the LCD screen from falling back and sticking. Use the plastic pry tool to cut open the edge adhesive. Drip alcohol into the edge halfway through. Continue along the bottom of the phone. Cut open the internal adhesive. Separate the LCD screen from the bottom. There are 3 clips at the top. Gently shake and pull down to remove the screen. Flip the screen to the left, not more than 100 degrees. Apply the lens protector. Use a triangular screwdriver to remove the screws securing the screen flex cable, display flex cable, and battery flex cable. Place the removed screws separately. Then remove the metal plates. First, disconnect the battery connector. Then disconnect the LCD screen flex cable connector. Then remove the old screen. Use a screwdriver to remove the 3 screws and securing metal plate from the sensor flex cable on the old screen. Use a heat gun to heat the back of the old sensor flex cable area for 3 to 5 minutes. Then, gently remove the sensor cable by pinching it. Install the sensor cable onto the new screen in the corresponding positions. Install the fixing plate and secure it with 3 screws. Clean the sealant from the original frame. Apply new sealant and press it firmly onto the 4 sides of the frame. Then peel off the sealant film. Peel off the backlight film from the location where the display cable will be installed on the new screen. Close the screen assembly, but do not fasten the clips. Power on the phone. The LCD screen displays correctly. Power off the phone. Then, install the fixing plate and screws. Install the screen for testing. First, attach the sensor cable and screen cable. Then attach the battery cable. Remove the lens protector. When attaching the screen, start from the top. There are 3 clips at the top of the LCD screen. Push the screen upwards to engage the clips. Then, gently press down on both sides to ensure proper engagement. And check the touch. Proximity sensor and earpiece functions. Check the face and front camera functions. Use a 5-pointed screwdriver to reinstall the 2 screws at the bottom. Screen replacement complete.